So, crypto YouTube people, if you're watching this, you're into crypto, and I want to be frank with you. Keep staying watching the video. Overall, guys, I've been documenting my whole journey in this 2024 crypto cycle since 2023, honestly, and I've learned a lot. I've seen a lot of different events that make a huge difference on the markets, but I've also seen a lot of FUD and a lot of different things that don't really matter. And currently, right now, guys, we're in the state of the market where we're about to see the altcoin market go really crazy. Altcoin season is about to take off. Dominance around Bitcoin is, slowly dropping off. But right now, we need to see Bitcoin make some specific price action, or, we're not going to be going anywhere. Right now, we've been trading sideways ever since the start of October. We're already nearing almost mid to the end of October already, and everyone's talking about how we could already be on the verge of crazy gains. But guys, I'm making this video today to have a vibe check with everyone in the crypto cycle. We go and look at these videos talking about what's going on in the crypto markets, price action around Bitcoin, specific events, catalyst events, specific things that are going on that are gonna have a huge effect, and everyone just has their own opinions, guys. And you can start to fill your brain with all this fluff and different information, and then you start questioning yourself and your position and the things that you're currently doing. And overall, guys, I think, based off of the state of the market of where we're at right now, as long as you are already exposed, you have a portfolio and everything, your dollar cost averaging, guys, there's nothing else much you have to do right now other than, keep up with somewhat the price action around Bitcoin to understand when altcoins are going to get that rotation and we're going to start making a bunch of money. But overall, right now, guys, we're at a stationary point in the market, and you have to really recognize that. And whenever we're at a point like this, it's better to, go look at previous cycles, currently what has happened, where we could be potentially seeing, either a deviation or a shoot up to the top. Overall, Bitcoin has been trading around the same region for the past few weeks. On top of that, altcoins have been taking a huge hit as a result of that. Everyone on crypto Twitter is either on one or the other side. They're either super bearish, they don't know where we're going and feel like this is a skeptical time, and other people feel like this is the calm before the storm. You should be dollar cost averaging and taking advantage of this time. And right now, based off the state of the markets, multiple influencers have mixed opinions about what's potentially going to be happening in the market. Others are, like how I'm saying, still committed, saying, hey, nothing has changed. Overall, people start to get fearful whenever stuff like this happens. And overall, literally, a period like this is to squeeze out anyone that isn't committed into the markets. It's also a time to get that consolidation for anyone that is, trying to de-risk and overall try to get the best buy in the market. Right now, we're going to be seeing that sideways consolidation, and I want to be straightforward with you. Of course, there's big events that are going to be having an effect. The US election that is coming up, Fed cuts that are coming out, the data that just came out around the ICP, the FOMC meeting that happened yesterday. There's a lot of different things that are going on, and that's why I have this YouTube channel, to document, to show you guys, everything that's currently going on in the markets, but giving you guys actual specific things that matter and make an effect on our altcoins and around Bitcoin. Overall, though, guys, at the current state of the market that we're currently in, I don't really think that you should be, worrying about this person saying this or this person saying that. The only thing that really matters right now is price action around Bitcoin. Whenever everything starts to shoot up and that dominance starts to break down, and whenever we have that switch to altcoins, that's pretty much it. Of course, we're gonna have all these other catalyst events that are gonna have an effect. We're gonna have slight pumps in the market and all these other different things. But overall, especially with the data that just came out today with the ICP, there is gonna be sideways, trading. I saw a great post from Soho talking about exactly, based off of the data that we currently saw, we're more likely just going to be chopping sideways. And whenever we start to see huge rips up, that could be potentially that huge, move to the upside. But at the end of the day, based off of the price action since March and currently what we've seen, and based off of previous cycles, we're going to be trading sideways, guys. And until we start to have, the US election come out, the FTX distribution start to go into play, Fed cuts start to come out more, and on top of that, more news that are just going to stimulate the economy, shoot up that global liquidity. Overall, we're in still the same market, guys. Still the same thing. Everyone's talking about this or that, but at the end of the day, there's not too much to be updated on right now. I'm making this YouTube channel, shooting daily videos so that I can, overall monetize my YouTube channel and create something real, reach more people, and give people a more real standpoint on crypto. But right now, people can throw a lot of different FUD into your ear. It can cause you to change your positions, reallocate, maybe even rotate. Me currently, I made a rotation out of meme coins into AI coins. People have been telling me I am dumb for doing that, but overall, I have a high commitment sentiment based off of what I've been currently seeing with the price action rotations that we saw in March and in June, which a lot of people aren't really keeping in mind. That's why I think it's really great to get your own perspective, start to understand what's going on in the markets, and then get videos like this of people being real with you, telling you what's going on and what you really should be focusing on. At the end of the day, I'm an intermediate trader. Some people will look at me and just completely blow me off because they think I don't know what is going on. But like how I said, I think you should have the student mindset. I don't know what's going on. I'm still learning and still progressing. But at the end of the day, knowing what is FUD and what is not is really, really important, because it can cause you to start investing into the wrong coins. It can cause you to rotate out of incorrect positions. It can cause you to start doing things that you probably wouldn't be doing if you didn't hear all this FUD and fear in the market. But guys, today is just a quick vibe check video telling you guys that the state of the markets is stationary. Of course, we're on the verge of crazy gains for altcoins and alt season about to start. But we need to see specific price action around Bitcoin before we can see that take place. Everyone is going to preach, oh, we're at the start of a bull market and we're gonna make crazy gains and this and that, and then you start to see what's going on and you're like, where's the bull market? Did I miss something? At the end of the day, guys, there's rotations, there's things that take place, consolidation, deviations, and of course you want to keep up with the price action around Bitcoin. But at the end of the day, there's a lot of information out there that's just meant to scare you. It's meant to push out anyone that's not committed into the markets. And overall, guys, we're on the verge of these crazy gains, so you shouldn't be making any rash decisions. At the end of the day, like how I said, I'm an intermediate trader documenting my journey. If you're new to my channel, go and check out the rest of my content. I keep you guys updated on the crypto market, specific events that have an effect on altcoins and things that I believe matter. At the end of the day, I made this YouTube channel to document my journey and also show everyone what's possible when it comes to crypto investing. I still work a 9 to 5. I'm currently in an empty parking lot. Gonna eat my lunch. I've got about like 15 minutes left on my lunch break, and I shoot these YouTube videos just to show everyone what's possible in the crypto markets, as well as give the perspective of a real person in the crypto space. At the end of the day, we see all the hype of all these other crazy people living in amazing places, most of them in Dubai, driving amazing cars, having amazing perspectives, but I think the disconnect from those people and average people like us that are trying to invest in the crypto markets, there's a huge disconnect. And if you start to get caught up in all the information and FUD and all this other different things, it really starts to have you skeptical about your decisions. But guys, that's today's video. I didn't want to make it too long. I just want to be straightforward with y'all on how I feel on the crypto markets, rotations, deviation points, and the current consolidation and sideways trading that we've been seeing. Overall, I think you shouldn't be worrying too much about specific things going on in the markets. Just keep up with the price action around Bitcoin. Overall, specific events that have an effect on the price action, like the ICP data that we saw, as well as the FOMC meeting yesterday. But overall, guys, I'm going to keep you guys updated. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and check out the rest of my content. I'm just an intermediate trader showing you guys my wins, my losses, documenting my journey in the crypto space, and keeping you guys, informed on what I believe you guys need to know. At the end of the day, like I said, we've been trading sideways. We're in a consolidation phase, and until we have a huge rip up with Bitcoin and see that price action, we're going to keep trading sideways. Overall, I'll keep you guys updated on the markets. I still like dropping daily content every day to keep you guys updated on the markets and also give my perspective on the space, and also where I am making allocations to make a good amount of money. I have made a good amount of money previously in the year, if you guys are new to the channel, and I plan on making a stupid amount more money this year, or nearing the end of this year, going into next year. But overall, guys, new to my channel, drop me a comment, like, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think of my content and my perspective on the space. I plan to be a different kind of person in the crypto space. Everyone that I see is not similar to me. Either everyone is usually super rich or preaching a specific narrative or doing this or that. I'm just documenting my journey and trying to show you guys what's possible. But other than that, guys, I'm going to end the video right here. I'm gonna drop more content tomorrow and today as well with this video. I want to make a video with meme coins. I've been needing to make that video. I'm sorry to y'all that have been wanting that video that have not got it yet. Tomorrow is Friday. I have the weekend ahead of me, so I'm gonna have time, guys. That meme video is coming out this weekend, just because right now, guys, if you guys aren't really aware, which I'm sure you are aware, AI and meme coins have been taking over this 2024 crypto cycle. Meme coins mainly, but in terms of rotations with utility coins and meme coins, because meme coins have no utility, I always see that rotation from the utility into the meme coins. But that's just my perspective. I'm gonna keep you guys updated on the plays that I'm currently doing, making some crazy allocations and planning to make some crazy money. But other than that, guys, stay committed to the market, stay updated, and stay tuned for more content that I'm gonna be dropping. Other than that, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.